What is fat? Boy will be there inside. Girl will be accompanied by 4 mummies who will be saying all random things to freak them out. And the boy will be accompanied by 4 mamas who will say, all these late jokes. In Lalita Patmani morning, you know what, and they'll be calling fully excited, all very fast chase jokes. And these mommies will say all random things to even psych out the girl. And they will take the girl right up to the room, and before they push the girl inside, and they look at the boy and say, 10:30 to 10:45, good time, okay? But seriously, man, first thing I got really shocked. 10:30 to 10:45. I take longer than 15 minutes, okay? What is the second hype? Boy will be sitting, girl will be there. Boy will come close, girl will come close. Boy will catch hold of the girl's hips, girl will like, and he'll come close, come close, come close. Immediately shortcut, go to Switzerland. Dolari, all this stuff. And what happens in reality? Boy will come close, girl will come close. Because we all know for a fact that anybody who's been married knows that the least amount of privacy, you're so exhausted at the end of the day that you just want to go and crash. Imagine the kind of privacy is that in any Indian wedding, the groom and the bride are the people with the least amount of privacy. In my wedding, I was trying to tie a dhoti. It is Tambaram wedding, obviously topless. So trying to tie a dhoti over there inside my room, boxers. We're like, okay, obviously it's a very rare event for me. Okay, I'm trying to thing, and my aunt walks in. I'm like, ah! And she's like, oh, I'm sorry, are you changing? I said, yes, Perima. She continues to walk inside the room as if I don't exist. There's this one more thing about weddings. I think there's this new fad that's happening where people say, no gifts, your presence alone is welcome. They actually don't mean that. They only say, no boring gifts, please. That's the whole thing, because it takes absolute lack of imagination for people to come out with these gifts like, crane bomber kissing, one model art painting on is 125 rupees, Taj Mahal with heart symbol, wall clock, and my favorite, cup and saucer. All of you are, who has been married got one cup and saucer, na? And there are these cheapos, the second level of cheapos. You know what? These are the people who will not bother to buy 2 rupees worth of new gift paper. They'll take one old gift paper. Like this, I was going through my gifts. I was like, oh my God, we have a gift from Landmark. Oh, let's go through. What did I find? Cup and saucer. I got so pissed off with it. I immediately took it, packed it, wrapped it, and gave it to another wedding. Seriously, man, that's what happens. That is seriously a big problem. But there's this, let's move on to the next big overrated phenomenon. Honeymoon. First thing they ask anybody who's been engaged is like, okay, when is the wedding? Okay, where do you plan to go to honeymoon? Give me some ideal honeymoon locations. Tell me some places.
I think most of us, it's been many years.
Yeah, but you can tell which place did you go to? Where did you go?
One newly married couple who can go.
Switzerland. Oh, awesome. How many? Okay, which place? Maldives. Awesome. Okay. Any other places? Seychelles? We can talk about Seychelles or even Ooty, Kodaikanal. Yeah, I didn't go to any of those places, that's why I'm saying. Goa, okay, never mind. Goa is before wedding, not after wedding. Yeah, before wedding. Chidambaram, that's a very nice place. I went to Haridwar. Kumbhakonam, that's awesome. I went to Haridwar and Rishikesh. Seriously, I went to Haridwar and Rishikesh. That's where I went for my honeymoon. But, yeah? No, that was a side effect of it, obviously. I can't talk about it.
Little too early.
Yeah. I mean, most of the times that happen, okay, never mind. Haridwar is always little too early. But there's one thing, is that I got this very good deal. I wanted to try out adventure sports in Rishikesh. So, full pumped up and everything. Listen, actual adventure sports. I'm saying that rock climbing, whitewater rafting and everything. Seriously, sir. I went there. There's 30,000 rupees or something. There was a package. It was very nice. I will even give you the number. No problem. Have you been to, who has been to whitewater rafting? Have you guys? Yeah? You actually don't do shit, you don't do anything. It's pretty much like the 2 boys over there, and at the end they will do it. We are pretty much like the people, like, for example, if Titanic sinking, one person will jump and go, okay, I will also save Titanic. Here is a tumbler, let's take the water and put it out. Because most of the time it's like the boat is up, we are only killing the air. That's the thing that we are pretty much ended up doing. But what was very interesting was, because we did all the adventure sports and everything, and I was super excited because we had alone time, and it was the first night of the honeymoon, and I was like super excited. But there's one small problem. I wanted to follow the Tamil tradition, try to get Archana sweets halwa, Mallipu and everything. So I wanted to go to these places, but there's one issue. Tamilian in North India. What do you do before you go to a place? You try to memorize your name. It's like ek chai do chai do, teen chai do. That is the only thing. So I went out to this flower vendor. I didn't realize it. I just went over there. Bhaiya, ek phool de. And this is what I said. And there was a Tamil guy like that who laughed over there. And you can realize everything. But then I was super excited. Came back to the room and I wanted to talk to my wife and everything. And then I fought with my wife. She said something out of context, I said something out of context, the whole fight went something out of context, and then she used the greatest word a woman can use against a man. Listen, I need my space. That's what started. I was like, okay, fine, it's a two-bedroom place, okay, you take this place, you take this place. And then she pulls out a book from her handbag, Love in the Time of Cholera. I asked her, did you bring a book to our honeymoon? She said, yeah, just in case, just in case I got bored, nah. I was like, okay, fine. I also got a book. I bought this book with the drilling traffic signal for $50. I also pulled that out and I started reading the book. Half an hour went, and then I just couldn't do it anymore. And I was like, okay, fine. I apologize. She's like, you're willing to apologize. I'm willing to apologize for my mistake, your mistake, everybody's mistake. She asked me why. And I said, I just can't read Chetan Bhagat's 2 states, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. You've been a very sweet audience. We'll now move on to the awards function. There's a new awards that we worked out, and we created this award specifically for people inside this room, all done in really good humor, or hopefully in good humor. So Venki, can we take it away with that? Okay, fine. Let's give it up for Venki.
Ladies and gentlemen, so when we were contacted by Navneet and our good friend Prabhakar here, saying that they want to do something interesting for the event tonight, we thought like maybe you already had a Rockstar award. Has the award already been given? Yeah. To?
Jivesh.
Hi, Mr. Jivesh. I've heard your name before. He's not here.
His wife is there.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we also thought that like probably there might be other awards that might be useful for all of you. So we got an entire committee to sit down and give out awards to some of you people. And in case you don't like any of the awards, that man there and this man here.
No.
Okay, these two people you please blame. I am only the messenger. Okay, so without further ado.
If you don't like it,
Huh? If you like the awards, it's me. If you don't like the awards, it's that man and that man. But anything and everything only after they give us payment back. Okay, only after payment we do whatever we want with them because it's big problem for us. Okay, without further ado, we have interestingly called this the IAEO Awards. And the reason being, it can be IEO for you or IEO for me also. Okay, so it's a very experimental thing that we've done. So let's see how it goes. Cameraman, okay. Our first award it goes. The first award category is I Like It Big Award.
actually, we know who to give it to.
I also know whom to give it to. At least whoever it was, they told me that give it to this man. But before that, we had a special committee sit down and decide that probably this outside your outside the EU Chennai chapter, there might be people who might also deserve this award. So for some categories, we have nominated people from other walks of life who might be interesting, who might also be close runners for this. But as you all know, the award will finally go to you people only because you are not giving us money. And if I give the award to anyone else, I won't get my money. Okay, let's be honest about that. Okay, but our nominee for the first I Like It Big award is Namita. And this is for all the people who can't see, most of these faces have something written below, and it says some assets go beyond the balance sheet. Okay, the reason Namita is being nominated, Mr. Anuj, I know what you're thinking. I can see it in your face. Okay, but it's because she likes big clothes. That is the only reason she's been nominated for this award. Mr. Sriram, you also. You don't like clothes, sir. On yourself or Namita? Tell me the truth.
I have no complaints.
Why you have no comments?
I'm too shy.
Namita itself has no problem. Agreed. Okay, cool. Namita was obviously the front runner to receive this. I will send you that picture separately. You can look at it later and comment on it. Okay? Oh, okay. You can waste your time however you want. Okay, but unfortunately or fortunately, I think the award was pretty easy to give out to. The winner for the I Like It Big category is Chitti. Is Mr. Chitti here? Can I see Mr. Chitti? He's not here. It's not surprising because he is Chitti's what? Sorry? Chitti's boyfriend. Okay, so if you understand the context, then you are Vasigaran. Yeah. Okay. I also tried to Google his picture, but apparently he's that busy that there's no picture of him on Google also. So anyway, Chitti, the robo, if you at all get this presentation, you will be happy you received an award. And our next nominee category is Pet Paul Award. It's a very interesting category because it's a socially relevant category, so to speak. Because right now there's a lot of drive about adoption and I'm talking about pets, adoption and taking care of pets. And how many of you own pets here? Dog owners? Dog owners, okay. Cat owners? Any cat owners in the house?
Next question
No?
is asked,
How many husband owners? Ladies, please answer. Any husband owners in the house? One lady is taking two hands. I don't know what that means. Okay. Are you in any way related to this man?
Yes, I am.
Wait. Huh? That's it. Oh, this is not I own husband, it's like hands up. Okay. So the award, so the first nominee is this was my personal category, so I have nominated Trisha for this award. Okay, and the sole reason being that she's also the ambassador for PETA, and also the fact that all men who in your younger days, before you made the mistake of marriage, okay, you decided that you must have all had girlfriends. I don't know about Anuj, I don't know about Shriram. Okay, let's make some things clear. If we did have both of us, no. Please, madam, take no offense.
No, that's the way.
Okay. No, I'm talking about. Okay. Huh? After the wedding only. That's Chandru for you. Mr. Chandru, I will come back to you in a little while.
he has girlfriend nation.
I know. I've heard. You and have also announced that you have a separate nation called Massage Nation. The way you're sitting itself, I understood. Anyway, you sit down so tall only like that only. Anyway, coming back to you, if you had girlfriends, all the men in the house, you can be honest. And if the girlfriend had a pet, let's be honest, you're not priority in their life ever. It's always the dog or the pup, and always the dog or the pup which will get all different types of, lovey-dovey messages. Thank God dogs and cats don't have a cell phone, otherwise they will get all the good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, all the messages will go to them. And it's all weird names. It's like Pooty Poo, Kuchi Koo, and all that. It's all like that. Like, let's be honest about that. For that reason, we have nominated Trisha, and also because I like Trisha. Okay. But the winner for this category is, he's already, I think the cat's out of the bag. Cat is also a pet. Intelligent joke. Anyway, the winner is Jivesh Ventura. We have heard that he's a very, very big pet animal lover. But Jivesh, one word of advice to you, even though you're not here. I have to literally translate it. Okay, and we have interesting film nominations from outside EO. It's EO, right? Or is it YO? Because EO can be YO, anything. YO. Let's keep it YO. You're all 40 plus, so YO is something we won't associate with you. But anyway, okay, sorry, bad joke. The nominations are. Okay, pop quiz. Can anyone identify each film? Sriram. One second, Sriram. Question, Sriram. Which film is Namita in out of these three?
None.
Correct answer. Okay, that's Kamal Hassan from Barbie Mayam in white kurta. That is Rajinikanth from Padayappa in white kurta. That is Shah Rukh Khan in Devdas in white kurta. All three of them are sad. Talevar's picture, I can't put sad picture because I'm Talevar fan, and I know a lot of Talevar fans are there, so they will take insult to it. So this is just before he loses his tundum, so he still gets it. Okay, these three are nominated because white is generally associated with peace and prosperity and clarity and all that things, but white is also sad. And the person who won this award from you, the winner, Mr. Wow. Don't worry, this presentation will be shared with you and put on Facebook.
His wife is here, she appreciates it greatly.
You are Mr. Gaurav's wife. I have question for you. Huh? You don't have to answer. Question itself is funny. How long have you been married? That is not the funny question. How long have you been married?
11 years.
Has it been 11 years since he lost color in his life?
Probably longer.
Why is it burning for you? Mr. Anush, not the point. People are getting burnt in the stomach. Anyway, congratulations, Mr. Gaurav, who's lost color in his life, but he's still smiling in that picture, if you note. What is your problem? Correct. Where is your wife? Who's? You don't have to tell. I turned back and there's this lady who's like. Anyway, Mr. Gaurav, congratulations for Ujala Kumarita award for Mr. Gaurav. Our next category, I think we're almost close to the end of this thing. Grinder award. I hear that this man is not here. Okay? It is not. Sir, Chandru, your award is coming. And don't preempt my joke, but today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday is only your day. Okay, anyway, the Grinder Award, as the name suggests, does not mean for any couple or any man or woman who owns like a Preeti grinder or anything. It has nothing to do with that. It is the ability to grind on side of a table, behind a table, in front of a table, on top of the table is for this award. Okay, and I don't think we have any nominations, but the winner for the Grinder Award is. No, you are wrong. It is Mr. Vale. Oh, Mr. Vale is here. Hi. Generally, I would ask questions to people who to Vale. Do you have like a signature move or something? Oh, okay. We will ask this question to you right at the end of the show.
Ask him to do the whale dance now.
Whale dancer? Okay. Someone seems, I don't know why you're excited about me doing the whale dance. But okay then. This is all wrong.
It's called the ultimate woman repellent.
Makes sense when you're saying it. Ultimate woman repellent and you're excited about it. I don't know what is happening here. No. Now your name, now it makes sense. It's all coming to me now. Why your chapter is called Yo. Yo. So Anyway, congratulations, Mr. Veer. I don't know what you did, but the person next to you is
He's a grinder.
He's the table. He's the table. He's the table.
He's the table is grinding.
We have to be, I have to tell you this very clearly. Veil can I guarantee. Okay, our next award, I think we're almost done. Being Human Award. This award was a very, very special consideration. We knew who the winner was beforehand, okay, and then we decided who should, which Bollywood personality would suit him. Okay, I think the clues there on screen. Being Human, any association? Salman Khan. And why Salman Khan?
Drives slowly on the pavement.
What?
He drives carefully on the pavement.
Yeah, and he's also India's most eligible bachelor.
But Prabhakar thinks of him as shirtless only.
Udala, parvalan utta. Okay, obviously, so the nomination is Salman Khan, but I think we called up Saluba in Bombay, and he said, sorry, I can't accept this award because the EO chapter has, Chennai chapter has an eligible bachelor here himself.
Yeah.
And therefore, the winner of the Being Human Award is not Salman Khan. कब है सत्या का स्वयंवर सत्या का स्वयंवर कब है नाउ क्वेश्चन इज सत्या कौन है वेयर इज सत्या ही इज ऑन हिज वे okay so when he comes I will ask that question again to Satya I think we sorry don't put words into my mouth by asking all these questions Mr. Srirama okay because now it is not your turn.